let me tell you something, right? You want to hear something? I want to tell you what I have to tell you?
Go ahead, tell me.
Fuck you, you stinking nigga.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren
and I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so today we are going to be reacting to a video of a good case of the internet never forgets.
What do we mean by the internet never forgets? Guys, I want you to listen to this video, pay very close attention to what this woman is going to say, and then we come back and talk about it.
Thank you for calling Amplifier Services. Karen speaking. I'm assist.
Yeah, hello?
Hi.
Let me tell you something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? I pay my bill and I pay to watch ZTV. I ain't paying to watch no flicking nigga, okay? Why does I look at all the Indian channel and I put on them stupid local shows in ZTV? ZTV is a flicking international show that when I took my packages from B-Mobile and all the transfer, I pay to watch my Indian show. I don't pay to watch our stinking Rowley and he's stinking flicking PNM people. Okay, why does all have to put on them local thing in ZTV? ZTV is a flicking international show station. Why all don't want to? If all wanted to have Rowley and he's thinking nigga people, put it in local shows. Why does that is what I take the product. I take that is why I take the package for to watch ZTV to watch my Indian show, not no nigga and Rowley and he nigga people. Why does all have to cut the Indian show and put on them super local thing for? That's we customers paying for that, you know. We have people paying to watch the Indian channel, to watch Rowley and his thinking people. You hear me?
Alright, so let's start over. What is your contact number that you use to sign up for your service?
647-122 Nalini Ramai 22 Ramai Tris DB. Okay, when I sign up for the service, I didn't sign up to watch no flicking nigga. Okay, in ZTV. They cut out the Indian show to put out that stinking Rowley, hard face, nasty stinking Rowley and his stinking PNM people.
All right,
we don't want to see them.
Okay, so let's ease up on the.
I don't really care. I have my opinion.
You have your opinion. That is right? All well and fine. But if you want me to assist you, I'm not going to sit down here with regards to listening to this.
I don't care. I don't care because I have people maybe they say we Indians stupid. We are not stupid because we Indian how all listening up to. Sorry. Anyway, you can tell me why.
All right. Thanks for calling. Enjoy your night. Yes. Hello. Good evening.
Yeah.
Hi. Thanks for holding. All right. So unfortunately, we do not have the control over the right in the programming itself.
Yeah, but why did it all have to take over from TSTT? We never had a problem, you know. Just so yesterday, I know was the same flicking blast thing.
Yes, but what are you seeing on the channel now?
You're dumb or something. I now tell you they have local. They don't have they cut off the Z program. You didn't understand what I was telling you just now.
Nalini.
They cut off. Listen. They cut off. Don't call my name in your mouth.
Nalini.
They cut off the Indian channel.
Miss Nalini, I am trying my utmost best to assist you in the best way that I can. And I am doing everything in my power to give you the information that you require in order for you to understand that what is happening. Right? Now I understand you are upset because of the programming, but it is not in our power with regards to what is the right to show on the channel.
You took over the channel, the station, from B-Mobile. You all take over the pipe. All is supposed to know what's going on. Is people dumb or something? They just take over it.
Why? Let me tell you something, right? With regards to the service, because even if you go on flow and you go onto the same channel, you're still going to see the same programming.
No.
On any yes, you are.
No. Let me tell you something, right? You want to hear something? I want to tell you what I have to tell you?
Go ahead, tell me.
Fuck you, you stinking nigga.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, good evening. This is the phone of the office of the Prime Minister. I'm returning a missed call.
I didn't hear what you said. Hello?
Hi, this is the office of the Prime Minister's phone. I'm returning a call.
Yes, this is Nandini Ramai. I call and to apologize for the racial statement that I made and put up on social media. I sincerely do apologize, and to the Prime Minister and to all his government ministers and every individual in Finland, I do apologize. I will take accept my apology. I was upset, and that's why I said what I said. But okay, I sincerely do apologize. Could you please just forgive me, please?
All right. But
I need to just let the public know that I apologize. People keep calling my phone since yesterday, non-stop, and I keep, and they're putting it up on social media, my house and my picture. Now listen, right? Yes, I made a racial statement about the Prime Minister and his officials, but it was like, a private, and the guy who put it up, the thing about it, what scares me is he put up my picture, he put up my phone number, he put up my address, and people keep calling and threatening me and stuff. Yes, I admit it was a wrong statement that I made, okay, about racials and every individual, yes, but like I said, I'm getting real scared now because people keep calling. Yes, I have to switch off my phone and pull out the plug because the phone the cordless are even getting time to charge. People just keep calling and threatening and all of that. Could you please just mention to the point that I sincerely do apologize, and I call I remember, and it take two people, right? To take two people, and the guy that I call in from Ampere, he's not answering. When I call the telephone, the company for him to apologize as well. Not only me. Yes, I did my part. What I said was wrong, and I did my part. Okay, but it's up to him to apologize too. Don't you think so?
okay. Hello.
Yes, don't you think he should apologize? Because, okay, since he put up my name and my address and my phone number, and he's like, I keep getting the phone calls and this threats. So that is why I said, let me call Mr. Sivoli and apologize to him personally and his official members personally. Please, just let them know that I'm really, really sincerely sorry. And if they could just get the public to stop calling me, please, because it's getting real scary now.
Okay, well, I am a representative of the office, so what I can do, if you would really like to get an apology onto him, I can perhaps give you a phone number, or you can write a letter or an email too, if you would like to get the message onto him.
Okay, well, let me get his email.
How those two conversations ended, you guys.
Yeah, so I feel like this Indian woman meant every word she said when she was talking to this operator, and I have to bring this point across. I feel like the operator was really, really polite, and he tried to maintain his cool, and he tried everything within his power to try and help this woman despite her racist, remarks.
Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, and I feel personally that this woman, to begin with, she felt so entitled. Just the mere fact she could call and dictate to this male representative what she wanted played in her television, and she didn't want, in her own words, no stinking, playing, stinking bleep bleep playing in her TV, And keep in mind, you guys, yes, Trinidad and Tobago has a good number of Indians, right? But it also has black people who are citizens there. So I believe that if you find a channel station in a country, it represents each and every person that is found in that country, and there is no way that they can stop playing black geared content so that they can only play predominantly Indian content,
Yeah, and I feel like at this point, correct me if I'm wrong, even here in Kenya, if we pay for TV services or packages, you get what you pay for, you understand?
Exactly.
So if you pay for this X type of package, you have to know the
list of channels that will be predominantly playing in your TV station.
Exactly. So for her to be calling on a racist rant to be talking to this person in a dehumanizing kind of way, you know, I felt like that is truly what she meant. And even her coming out to apologize, it's not because she had seen the light.
Yeah, it's only because she was caught and it was uncomfortable for her, because as she says, people started harassing her because of their remarks. And you know, the funniest part about the phone call she was in with the first guy, when the guy asked her for her phone number, and she so pleasantly just started dictating the phone number, this, that, and the next day she finds herself on social media with the number displayed and all.
And Indians are to be honest, I won't say, I don't know about Africans, but Indians are the most racist people. We have other people, but let's just focus on Indians. Even here in Africa, they do misbehave and they do segregate. Like here in Kenya, we have a lot of Indians, and you'll find a lot of them have segregated themselves from, and it's just one country, a lot of them have segregated themselves from the larger mass, you know.
Right, Indians, you know, the most interesting thing to me is that Indians are not even white people. They're brown-skinned people, yeah? But they're the most racist. You could think they're the mother of all white people. You get? There's an incident that happened when we were in uni. I don't know if you remember this. So we had a classmate in uni. She was a biracial, yeah? She was half Portuguese and she was half Kenyan.
She was pretty.
She was very beautiful.
And you know, you could see the color, you know, obviously you know what a biracial looks like. The obvious type of biracial, that is who she was.
Yeah, although she didn't have the curly hair like biracial people, her hair was straight like white people hair, you know. And then her mom was Kenyan and her dad was Portuguese. And one day they lived in an affluent part of Kenya, Nairobi. One day they go to a shop which so happens to be owned by an Indian. So when they reached to that shop, the Indian that was there just frantically starts pointing at the black person this girl was with, and he was telling this black person, no, you out, you get out, you know. And then because of how frantic he was, the woman was so perplexed and asked him, are you talking to me? Like, why, what have I done, you know? And the Indian says, you have to get out. He doesn't even give explanations as to why he's chasing the woman away. And the woman said, she told him, I'm here to buy a piece of jewelry and then I'll leave. The man said, told this black woman, you know what, any type of jewelry you want, you can get over at the next shop. That's where your kind is at. So go get it there. Everything in this shop, you cannot afford anything in this shop, you know. So our classmate was with this woman, and this woman just so happened to be our classmate's mother, you know, and she was black, you know. So they decided to go over to the next shop to buy the jewelry. But this incident was really hurtful to the pair, you know.
And considering that was happening here in Kenya, you don't expect to be chased out of a shop here in Kenya, in your own country, because of the color of your skin.
Someone has already branded you as someone who can't afford a certain item because
they only serve their kind and not your kind. So you guys, I don't know, leave us your thoughts and comments on what you think about this episode. Personally, I feel like all Indians who live everywhere, not just here in Kenya, not just in the Caribbean, not just in Trinidad, I feel like they all are entitled. And my question is, if they feel so entitled like this and they don't want to mingle with black people, they don't want to watch the end shows, you know, as the other woman,
this woman was saying, I don't want to watch a TV that keeps playing stinking people shows.
Yeah, if they want to live and segregate themselves as just purely as Indians, India is a big country. Why don't they go back? Why don't they go back to their own? In India, they'll find plenty of shows. She won't need to be calling and harassing people and calling them
shows that have been programmed in a station.
Yeah, she will mingle with the kind of people she wants to mingle with there. She won't need to filter who her children relate with, you know, who her children sees on TV.
I don't don't think this woman was truly genuinely sorry, and I don't think she will ever be truly genuinely sorry.
The words
she only
said,
sorry. Yeah,
the words
she only said them so that
from her heart.
Yes.
Do you know? Okay, go on.
And the apology she offered was so that the harassment could stop. Nothing beyond that.
And let me just take you back a bit when she was communicating with that operator, and that operator tried, and she wasn't even listening to what this operator. You are calling
She
for
was
help,
talking over this operator, and she didn't want to listen to
him. And then to get him to listen, she was like, "Listen, can I tell you something? Can I tell you something?" And when she made sure she had all his attention, for her to just say those words, she wanted to make sure that they landed. They just didn't landed. They landed and settled deep in this man's heart. So and then she hung up. Imagine leaving someone in a conversation, and you're leaving like that, having the last word, the kind of weight the words you said have, and then hanging up. What was your intentions? To really hurt the person on the other end of the call, So I don't believe she was sorry, as all racist people are. I believe these are things that it's put in them since childhood, so they grow up with a very strong belief of what they say.
They just know they believe it. They don't even know why they believe it. They know they hate black skin. They don't know why they hate black skin.
Even the way she expressed herself, you can clearly tell she has no love for that
hatred point of view.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So you guys, let us know what you think about this episode. My question is, but it's not even a question, because I feel like I already have an answer. They will never change. That is who they are. That is who they are. Yeah. So guys, remember to subscribe if you have not. You can join our channel membership, and also leave us a comment on the thoughts you have on this video, and you can share this video to people you feel like it's gonna help, and you can also join our channel membership. So let's catch you on our next episode.